you probably invest double the time.
Do you want to go forward or backward?
This is the Mompreneurship 4.0 workshop proudly organized by Kenneth of Mother Industrialist, and I was so honored to be invited as one of the guest speakers in this event. The objective of this workshop is to inspire and help mothers who are struggling with their careers and family life. It was an eye-opener event for me because I learned so much. The main topics covered were how to grow your brand using content marketing, how to build key business fundamentals, and how to overcome challenges as mompreneurs.
Thanks, Rachel, and welcome everyone. My name is Kenneth. Maybe we can start from this lady here, Michelle. So we'll start with Michelle. We go in this round so everybody get to know each other.
Kind of a mompreneur, full-time job now.
Things that I'm selling with passion is like
I've been running a business.
I'm a blogger,
Expecting another kid.
Wow.
So running that business. So I recently started my own branding.
Together, all get a vision out of it. You can speak to me. You have a very good glimpse of your life. You know what it is all about. And why do I do this with all the mompreneurs I coach? Because
level and age. And in fact, this is a week that my eldest boy is having his PSLE. Right, so I've been running a full service marketing agency, OC Group, for the past 15 years. And with that, we've been serving brands and businesses both from startups to MNCs across the region. Let's do it. 1 minute.
We hope that everybody learned something from here today. And if you would like to find out more and get more tips on content marketing, you can catch up with us during lunch. And speaking of lunch, we do have a nice yummy spread that is waiting for all of us outside.
And if it is not through Shopify, we can do via a manual. So just by having this portal.
So I have been doing kind of like dropshipping business since 2015. Anyone like free gift?
Everybody does.
Everybody love, right? Okay. So okay, it's giveaway time. So it's good to start for a giveaway. So anybody want the free gift, you can come up to me. Now, come on, action taker, mom. Get up. For you to like wake up a bit, free giveaway. Thank you. Any more?
first slide is because this was the organization for time and effort, and yeah, thank you very much. Thank you. For them to coordinate time for this current discussion.
it's okay to take that money to hire someone to do things that that's called like low level thing for you, like answering your emails. I got someone to answer my emails.
Into menopause, yeah. So that's the word. So besides going into that, is there anything else that can help her? I mean, she has tried all the remedies. Like
I did it when I went to New York and I couldn't sleep for 18 hours on the plane. And
do you have any like financial support from your spouse or anybody?
I wish I do.